Greetings all. Welcome to Monday Morning Motivation episode number 59. And the topic for today is boring. I recently read a quote. You can beat most people at anything if you just don't quit when it is boring. Not hard, boring. That's when everyone else stops. This is the quote. What a beautiful quote, right? People quit when it becomes boring because our mind wants new chocolate. Our mind is excited doing different things but not doing the same thing in a better way again and again. Virat Kohli says success is doing boring stuff again and again. See, even yesterday, even in a losing match, he played a beautiful cricket and scored more than 120 runs. A lot of successful people, if you watch them, they are good at one thing and they do it again and again and again for many years, for many decades. Forget about big legends. I work with a lot of small entrepreneurs. Some of the entrepreneurs I see who have the net worth of 40-50 crores, what do is they just sell stationery. They just sell toilet paper. For the last 25-30 years, but they go to the new market, they get new clients. It's a boring work, but they have a much better lifestyle, better wealth because they don't stop when they are bored. So to summarize, friends, choose that one thing which you like and go deeper and do it again and again. Your mind will get bored, but money is in doing boring stuff. You being a legend is doing the boring stuff again and again and again. Thank you and have a nice week.